This assessment asks us to draw a three-dimensional representation of the molecule methanol. We can start by sketching out the Lewis structure of methanol as follows. This reminds us that there are 4 bonds attached to the central carbon, or better put, 4 areas of electron density, meaning that this carbon is tetrahedral. So our three-dimensional representation needs to account for the tetrahedral nature of that carbon. Being tetrahedral, we can draw the carbon as having 2 bonds coming off of it in the plane of the board. We'll put the H and OH, and that's kind of an arbitrary decision. We could have done it differently. But that means that the other 2 H's, one is going to be on a bold wedged bond, and the other one is going to be on a dashed wedge bond. Now, this is one representation that we could have drawn. We could have done it another way, actually several other ways. I'll give one more example. We could have put the OH down here, put this hydrogen here, the bold and the dashed. Still one more because I want to make sure that we don't have to have that hydroxyl group in the plane. So one more way we might have drawn this would be to put 2 hydrogens in the plane of the board, and then the hydroxyl group coming forward or backwards if we wanted, and the 4th hydrogen doing the opposite. So again, these are 3 answers. There are actually dozens of different ways you can do it, rotating it through space, rotating it 180 degrees in any kind of direction, but these are 3 correct answers to this assessment.